I made $800 trading Nasdaq. Market analysis looks super high quality. We have a bullish 4-hour fair value gap that we bounced from and this equilibrium of a high time frame range, and we swept liquidity. And we have a bullish breaker structure here pointing that it wants to go up, and we have another bullish breaker structure here pointing that it also wants to go up. So this target is really high quality, high probability, because we also have an SMT here and a bullish 4-hour fair value gap. After market opened here, we started dumping down, but I realized it was a manipulation as soon as I saw this SMT and this big SMT. And also notice how we touched another equilibrium level, okay? So when price created a bullish breaker structure here and a 1-minute bullish fair value gap, I entered long here. But when price came over here, it created a bearish SMT, so I started becoming cautious and I put my stop loss all the way from here to over here at break even so I don't lose any money in case it comes down. But we actually ended up bouncing from here. Look at what happened. We touched another equilibrium level of this entire range and we created an SMT, and then we had a sharp bullish reaction up. So I'm even more bullish now, so I wanted to trade more aggressively and I added 4 more contracts over here. And remember, I entered 8 contracts on my first trade, so now I entered 4 more, which means my average fill gets over here. And now my stop loss is over here. And after I put my stop loss over here, I'm risking even less money than the first trade. The first trade I risked $450, but now this trade, it's a bigger long position, but I'm risking less than half of that. And because this is a bigger long position, my potential profit is even bigger now. So anyway, I exited all 12 of my contracts over there. Now this is not a bad decision, but I think I should have exited only 50% and let the rest of the 50% go to a higher profit target. Because remember, these were my pre-market analysis targets, but I decided to exit over here at this level. I could have let it go all the way over here and potentially even to here. So I lost out on making even more money. So that's how I exited my positions too early, and I let emotions get the better of me. I did not follow the charts 100%. Because this trade took so long, it took 30 minutes to reach my profit target. And that's 30 minutes of intense pressure, intense stress. So I just did not want to feel stressed anymore. So I just exited as soon as I could. And this is not a very smart move because I took an emotional action, not a logical action. I only exited here because I felt stressed. But the chart was telling me, yo, dude, I can keep going higher. I can go way higher up. And because I didn't listen to the charts, I lost out on making even more money today. See y'all on the next journal. Peace.